In this video, we listed the 5 best 3D printers for beginners that are available on the market for their true quality. Actually, I tried to make the list based on their popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you need more information about these products, please check the description section below and don't forget to subscribe to our channel to get future reviews. It's done, let's dive into the video. Number 1. AnkerMake M5C 3D Printer. The AnkerMake M5C is a high-performance 3D printer designed for both beginners and experienced users, featuring advanced technologies such as Power Boost 2.0 and an ultra-direct extruder that enable printing speeds of up to 500 mm per second with impressive precision of 0.1 mm, measuring 21.77 inch dx 20.27, wx 12H and weighing 20.94 pounds. This printer supports a variety of filament materials, including PLA, ABS, PETG, TPU, and PLACF, thanks to its durable all-metal hot end that can reach temperatures up to 300 degrees Celsius. Users can easily control and monitor printing tasks through its Wi-Fi and Bluetooth connectivity via the intuitive AnkerMake app, which allows for remote management and direct model transfers. The printer also includes a precision mode for detailed prints at resolutions as fine as 50 micrometers, along with features such as 49-point automatic bed leveling, power and filament outage recovery, and a flexible magnetic plate for easy model removal, ensuring a reliable and user-friendly printing experience. Number 2. ANYCUBIC Kobra 2 Printer. The ANYCUBIC Kobra 2 Max 3D Printer is a high-performance device designed for both novice and experienced users, featuring impressive specifications such as a printing speed of up to 500 mm per second and a large build volume of 420 by 420 by 500 mm, allowing for the creation of sizable models with a maximum volume of 88 liters. Weighing 17.6 kilograms and measuring 30 inch dx 29.5, wx 7.25 h, this printer is equipped with advanced features like ELEGOO 2.0 automatic leveling and intelligent z-axis compensation, which enhance precision and stability during printing. Connectivity options include USB and the ANYCUBIC app, enabling smart functionalities such as real-time monitoring, online slicing, and remote management. The printer operates at a power consumption of 400 watts and comes with a 1-year service warranty, ensuring customer satisfaction through rigorous testing and support. Number 3. Prusa i3 MK3S Plus 3D Printer. The original Prusa i3 MK3S Plus is a top-tier 3D printer renowned for its reliability and user-friendly features. Constructed from durable plastic and metal, this printer measures 19.6 inch dx 21.6, wx 15.7 h and weighs 10.9 kilograms. It comes fully assembled and tested, allowing users to begin printing immediately after a quick calibration. Notable features include a fully automatic mesh bed leveling system, an integrated IR filament sensor for auto-loading, and a print pause function that activates when filament runs out. Its high-quality components, such as genuine Gates belts, Bondtech drive gears, and the ENYCUBIC Rambo motherboard, enhance its performance, making it an ideal choice for both beginners and experienced users. Additionally, the package includes a free sample of Prusa PLA and access to lifetime technical support and 24-hour professional customer service from Prusa Research. Number 4. ELEGOO Neptune Max 3D Printer. The ELEGOO Neptune for Max is a high-performance 3D printer designed for both large-scale and intricate projects, featuring an impressive build volume of 16.53 inches by 16.53 inches by 18.89 inches, 420 by 420 by 480 millimeters. Constructed from metal and weighing 16 kilograms, this printer is compatible with laptops and personal computers. It boasts precise printing capabilities thanks to advanced technologies such as input shaping, pressure advancing, and acceleration sensors, which enhance accuracy and reduce vibration impact. The self-developed dual-gear direct drive extruder ensures powerful extrusion and smooth filament feeding, while the high-temperature nozzle can reach up to 300 degrees Celsius, accommodating a variety of materials like PLA, PETG, ABS, TPU, and nylon. Additionally, the Neptune for Max features efficient double-sided cooling fans to prevent warping and improve print quality, along with versatile connectivity options including Wi-Fi, USB, and LAN, making it user-friendly with a simple one-key file transfer for easy operation. Number 5. Toybox 3D Toy Printer. The Toybox is a child-friendly 3D printer designed for easy usability, featuring simple one-touch controls that allow kids to operate it without adult assistance. With dimensions of 7.75 inch x 7.5, x 9.5 h and a weight of 9 pounds, it boasts a compact design suitable for various environments. The printer provides access to an expansive catalog of thousands of toys that is regularly updated, giving children a wealth of creative options. Additionally, Toybox allows users to upload their own designs or draw toys, which can then be brought to life using intuitive apps and tools. All creations are stored in the cloud for convenient access, and the printer connects via Wi-Fi, functioning as a standalone device for seamless operation.